Okay, hey guys, today we're gonna be playing some Roblox right now. We're playing Company Tycoon. This is gonna be so awesome. Right now, these people are being so weird. Right now, they creepy as heck. This video is gonna be awesome. I already started 2 hours ago. That's why I have so much money. I bought a lot of computers. This is really fun, but it doesn't take you that long to do this. Yeah, and stuff. Look at this, guys. I have 50 computers right now so we could get the money. This is my place where I watch TV and stuff. This is my assistant helper and stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna buy a statue right now. Okay, so statue. Let me go right here. Let's go to others. Oh, is this where I get the statue? Where's this? Oh yeah, okay. Okay, guys, here's the statue. Oh yeah, guys, um, hit up the owner. What is this guy right here? Hit him up. His name is Roblox, all capitals. I'm pretty sure. Hit him up. Okay, guys? Okay. And guys, please sub. I'm trying to get a good YouTube channel going. Whatever you guys want me to play on my tablet, I'll play it, or my Xbox. Okay, guys? And then I'll post it on my thing on my YouTube channel. Okay? I'm already rich in this game, but I don't really care. This guy is he doesn't talk because I tried talking to him, but he didn't answer. I think he's AFK. This guy, I don't know what's happening. Oh, he's a beginner. I used to be like that too. Oh yeah, guys, check out my so you guys. Check it out. Run monster. Check it out, yo. Okay. Work. I'm already rich enough. Okay, guys. I'll play whatever you want and stuff. Okay. Let's do this. I have nothing to do. Oh, instead I could make more computers over here, but make stacks and stuff. But right now I'm perfectly fine. I'm just gonna block my entrance so no one could get in my house. Come on, get over here. Okay, my thing's messed up. Okay, yes, I'm gonna make something so no one could get in my house. No, my company. You guys don't mind the background right now. Okay. There you go. I think I did it. See, no one could get in now. Oh, wait, I can't get out either. I don't know why. This is looking. Here, let me get out of this person. Okay. Let's see what we could do. Walls, closets. I already have closets. Let's get some. Let me look for anything that costs something. Like, what's this? Oh, I forgot, these are doors. And walls, desk, closet, computer. Oh yeah, I'm already at the max computers. You could do more. Uh, no, group. How does this look? Ooh, put it right there. Watch it. And I placed it. Now it's like a step stool, so I could get up. Watch. That's cool, right, guys? Okay, let's train. She doesn't even work. The highest. Okay, so. Oh yeah, guys, my veins popping out because I work all day. Oh, my bad, guys. Please tell me please some good stuff. Oh yeah, guys, please subs. I wanna get more subs, and if you guys have anything good for me to play, oh yeah, guys, type in the comments what I should play, like Pixel Gun or something. Okay. Guys, I'm not gonna. Okay, one second. More videos, but not much, because on February 16th, I'm going to yeah, guys, check out my Instagram. I'll put it below in the comment. I'll put it in the description. I only have Instagram. I'm planning on getting more things, and I'll tell you what else you guys could hit me up on. Okay. And if you guys hit me up, please tell me what my channel name is. Okay? If you guys don't, then I can't trust you guys. I gotta know if you know my channel. Okay? Guys, tell me if you go to Fulfill Elementary School. Okay? Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you have a good day and stuff. Okay, bye. Okay, peace out, yo. I hope you guys have a good day tomorrow. Bye. Wait, guys, I forgot. Remember, I'll put Instagram in the description down below. Okay, guys, bye.